Guideline's unique, rich texture enables the wand to pick up the perfect dose of color for each application. All you need to do is rest that index finger against the notch and then just rest the other side against your cheekbone. That steadies your hand for application. Now tilt that applicator towards your eye, rest in that curved tip just at the lash line. Peek through the window and let the wand guide you as you press or trace color across the eyelid. For best results, wipe off your precision tip applicator after each use. Add a few coats of Lash Wrap mascara to complete the look.